I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the footage is genuinely non-copyright. Look for public domain, CC0, or an explicit royalty-free declaration. Once confirmed, inspect technical specs, resolution, frame rate, and 16:9 aspect ratio to make editing seamless. Make sure to download the highest quality original and preserve metadata. That protects provenance and simplifies attribution if later required. While you do this, organize files into a clear folder structure so you can start editing immediately without hunting for assets. Once files are organized, import footage into your editor and conform frame rates to avoid stutter. Trim and color correct so visuals match your brand. If you encounter logos or identifiable property, replace or blur them to avoid secondary rights issues. Make sure to maintain a project log listing original file name, specific edits, and export settings. That audit trail explains how you transformed the raw clip. You'll also add any original audio or voiceover to clearly assert your new creative contribution. You're ready to export. Choose delivery codec and bitrates that match platform requirements, then upload with a concise license note in the description citing public domain or CC0. Make sure to keep originals and export settings archived for at least 90 days. They prove your workflow. If a takedown or dispute arises, gather the original source, the license statement, and your edit log to respond quickly. If playback or sync issues appear after export, reconform the frame rate and re-export at correct settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.